understand the requirement of the customer, not only the primary requirement, but the secondary and tertiary requirement also of the customer. It means understanding his customer also, so that we can give him the correct type of product and services. This is what our USP is, and this is what brings us more close to the customer and becoming a customer-centric company. This is what our main USP is.
At Mittal Corp, right from the inception, we have stayed focused on Visa, and that is to set global benchmark in steel manufacturing, value creation and corporate citizenship.
Yes, the results are bottom line and they are important. However, I truly believe that if our processes are right, nothing can stop us from achieving the results and commitment to excellence.
I'm very happy that Mittal family, which is one of the most respected families of Indore, a well-known industrial family, who I'm told now are only second to the general steels and stainless steel. And Karan, I remember, he had started a software company where I had gone. Yes, where he started his career from. I'm very happy to note that the drive and initiative, which I hope he has learned from Delhi College, has led him to make his enterprise, Mittal Steels, as number 2 in the country today. And I'm told the Forbes, the famous magazine, has listed them 35th out of the 500 growing companies in the world which has registered in high growth. And this is something which we are all proud of. I would congratulate Karan for having chosen Jimmy, who has done an excellent job. I am sure this facility available to the Delhi College students would go a long way to make this institution even greater. My congratulations and thanks to the Mittal family.
At Mittal Corp Limited, we have invested in some of the latest tools, equipments and technologies. Having said that, I also would like to add that as an organization, we value every single individual working with us, for we believe it's more about men than the machines. This, I think, will enable us to achieve our goals and ensure that we continue to add significant value for all our stakeholders.
But ladies and gentlemen, I would now like to request Mr. Mistry to please say a few words. Sir.
Well, friends, very good evening. I'm here in two capacities. One is Karan's friend, and second is somebody to whom the city of Mumbai holds a very, very special place. 2 weeks back, I did a presentation at TEDx Mumbai suffers from open spaces, and we had a concept where we shared how we can increase the 2% open spaces to 20% open spaces by utilizing every single constructed terrace of every single building. Something that we often hear in papers, buildings falling down, and in India the cost of life is not important to most people. Today, we realize a building has fallen down in Dharavi, we realize a building has fallen down at Dhobitalav, we realize a building has fallen down in Chembur, we read about it and we go to the next page, as if it's Rojmarta ki baat hai. The product that Karan is launching has a very, very special meaning, because if this product was used and was available to this country, perhaps 30 years back, 40 years back, 50 years back, it would not be the case today. Today, Bombay City has got redevelopment norms and laws which we are all as architects, designers, bureaucrats, builders grappling with. The only solution, the way forward, is to build structures that are going to last. Stainless steel reinforcement is the solution to this problem. And perhaps down the line, 30 years, 40 years, 50 years, 60 years, 100 years down the line, you would not be listening to buildings falling down. Majority of the buildings in Bombay are dilapidated because those days the quality of concrete was bad, cement was rationed, and those were the times in which when these buildings were constructed. Today, it surprises us to see buildings which have been built up in Lokhandwala, which have been built up in various parts of the city 10 years back. You look at the condition of the building and you see cracks, you see structural repairs being conducted within the next 10 and 12 years. It's not because predominantly the quality of construction has been extremely poor, predominantly because reinforcement corrodes with the climate that Bombay is in. The only way to stop the corrosion and reinforcement expelling is by having stainless steel reinforced bars. And I wish the Mittal Group, Karan especially, all the very best, because he's doing something that is going to change and pave the path for a strong foundation, and strong foundation for India's construction industry. A lot of prestigious projects in Bombay have been built. A lot of builders are already using imported stainless steel reinforced bars. And now Karan has come up with the only Indian solution as on today. I congratulate you, my friend. Wish you all the very best. Thank you.